Hey folks, I'm Kevin Lloyd with Marketpro Trading, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to trade the open like a pro. Let me say this up front. The first 30 minutes of the trading day is where most traders either make their day or completely destroy it. And the reason isn't the market. It's how they show up at the open. They come in unprepared. They chase the first move, they overtrade, and within minutes, they're down, frustrated, and trading emotionally. And that's not the market's fault. That's a lack of process and preparation. Because professional traders don't treat the open like gambling. They treat it like the opportunity it is, but they control it. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to trade the open like a pro with structure, discipline, and a clear plan. Let's start with the biggest mistake traders make at the open. They think they need to take a trade right away. You don't. In fact, one of the most professional things you can do with the open is nothing. Because the open is where volatility is the highest. Spreads are wider, false moves are common, ranges expand. If you're jumping in without confirmation, you're just guessing. Professionals understand this, and they come into the open with a plan, and they wait for the market to come to them, which brings us to the first principle. Preparation dictates performance. Before the market even opens, you should already know exactly what stocks you're focused on, what levels really matter, and what your trade scenarios are. You're not scanning at 9:31, you're executing what you've prepared at 8:30. If you don't have that preparation, you're already behind. Now, once the market opens, your job is not to predict moves, it's to observe, gain information. You want to see how your stocks react to these key levels. Are they holding above support? Are they breaking pre-market highs? Are they failing and showing weakness? The first few minutes gives you this information, and that information is what shapes your trades. This leads us to the second principle. Wait for confirmation. And this is where most traders lose everything. They anticipate the breakout, they jump in early, and the move fails. Professionals wait. They let the level break, they let volume come in, and they let the trade prove itself, show confirmation. Yes, you might miss the very first part of the move, but you significantly increase your probability of being right. And that's the trade-off, consistency. Now let's talk about execution. Because once your setup triggers, you need to be decisive. No hesitation, no second guessing. You've already done the work. You know your entry, your risk, and your target. So when the trade is there, you have to take it. And just as important, when it's not there, you don't force it. The open is not about taking more trades. It's about taking better trades. Now, here's another key that separates professionals. They manage risk aggressively at the open because volatility can cut both ways. You can make money quickly, but you can also lose money quickly. So your position size should make sense. Your stop should be defined, and you should be ready to exit if the trade doesn't work. No hope, no holding and praying. If you're wrong, you're out. And that's how you stay in control. And finally, understand this. You don't need to win the open. You need to survive it and capitalize on the right opportunities. Some of the best traders will take one clean trade in the first 30 minutes, and that's it. They're not chasing 5 different stocks. They're not over trading. They're executing 1 or 2 high-quality setups and protecting their capital. That's what professional trading looks like. So when you put it all together, trading the open becomes simple. Not easy, but simple. You come in prepared with a clear plan. You observe the market instead of reacting to it. You wait for confirmation before entering. You execute decisively when your setup triggers, and you manage your risk without hesitation. Do that consistently, and the open goes from being the most dangerous part of your day to the most controlled and profitable. And if you're watching this and struggling with the open, maybe you're over trading, chasing moves, or just don't have a clear plan when the bell rings, I can help you with that. I'm Kevin Lloyd, and I've been trading for over 20 years. I work directly with traders to help them build structure, improve execution, and trade the open with discipline and confidence. If you need help with your approach, head on over to Marketpro Trading and contact me directly. I'll be glad to help. I'll see you in the next video.